Hello, I'm Paul Swyter, Brand Manager for ContiTech Products here at CRP Automotive. I'm excited to tell you about 3 new BMW accessory drive kits we recently launched that cover an existing gap in the dealer alternative market. These kits include an OE-quality ContiTech Serpentine belt and the required tensioner and idler pulleys, all from the OEM manufacturer. These new kits are available for the 2007 through 2013 BMW 1, 3, 5, and X1 series vehicles with turbocharged gas engines. In total, they cover about 224,000 vehicles in operation. Now on these engines, the harmonic balancer sits in front of the belt, so if any of the components fail or the belt slips off an idler or tensioner, it can get drawn into the engine, causing catastrophic failure. This is why we recommend that all the belt components are also replaced when changing the belt. These kits fit popular BMW models that age-wise should be either at or close to requiring a belt change in service. So the next time one of these models comes in, be sure to carefully inspect the belt for signs that it needs to be replaced. And remember, every one of these kits comes with a 2-year, 24,000-mile warranty. That about covers it for now. If you have any questions about these ADK products, feel free to post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the first to see new Inside the Brand videos and learn about new products from CRP. Thanks for watching.